All right. So I just want to recap some of the trades I took earlier today. I personally like to trade gold a lot, and I know gold has been going crazy right now. And I just want to, recap and kind of show people what I'm doing. It's kind of for me as well to help me journal it. I do journal outside of videos, but something new just to get some more content out there. So the first trade, I did three. I trade micros, by the way. Trade all micros. I'm on Top Step. First trade was a was really a continuation towards this high right here. I knew we wanted to take out this high right here. Plus, we had a 1 minute fair value gap that I felt that we would react to, or not react to, but like go towards as a magnet. And I understand that it's only a 1 minute, but with gold being so reactive and so, I guess, hyper, if you would say, volatile right now due to all the political, economic tension going on, I knew that gold is just looking for any reason to react and go, just go up, down, like just stop people out and make people lose a lot of money really quickly. Usually I use four contracts. This time I only use three because even a $1, not a $1 move, like 1 minute candle, you can lose hundreds of dollars, which I'm not trying to do. So I only use three. I wanted us to continue towards this high cleanly. I knew because we kind of got above these highs right here. We went down to retest to offer for value. This is when I entered right here towards these highs, and my TP was at the high because again these three contracts gave me plenty of TP down here, as you can see with those three contracts. The three contracts, 549 and yeah. Oh, I actually used six contracts. Ooh, I was confident in this trade for some reason. I technically got stopped out, and I was gonna hit stop loss, but it wicked really fast, so I kind of got saved. Not my not my favorite trade in the world, not the best trade, but again with gold being so volatile, and I've been trading gold on Asia and Asian gap out for quite some time, so I kind of understand how it works and how it's to fake out people. That's why I held, and it worked out for me. Off that trade, I made what is that like $800 off that trade, 800 something dollars. Not bad. And like I said, it did get above this high, touch the 1 minute fair value gap, consolidate, and then go back down. So, no, not a bad trade. I should have hopped out, but I kind of saw a little setup I liked, and I took it. I saw on the 5 minute. I'll go to the 5 minute. This is the 15. See the box, the 15 minute. But the 5 minute is this orange box right here. I saw price stink to this fair value gap, pretty much offering fair value, telling buyers that this is like, hey, we can pick up more buyers at this point right here. Came down, and I knew we wanted to head towards this low right here, if not this low down here. But I felt like this was kind of a long stretch, and that's not something I wanted to trade all tonight. So I just want to get a quick scalp trade just so I can get off the charts. I was already positive, but I took one more regardless. I want to keep a really tight risk, which I did. So he sunk into that 5 minute fair value gap down here, went lower, took out this low right here, and I knew we were gonna have some kind of reaction, which is what I bet on. So we'll try to do that. Once we swept that low, I saw this candlestick go higher. I figured, I mean, obviously, yes, I knew we were gonna make a fair value gap right here, and I'll draw that out. Again, it's only in the 1 minute, and with us sweeping this low right here, this very obvious low, I knew that the 1 minute candle wasn't going to be super respected, so I knew we were going to have a lot of higher price heading towards this range of volume to then reject downwards. But I still wanted to trade towards it again just for a quick scalp trade. So I entered right here as soon as we got above this candle's low and went for a nice little 1 to 3 with my stop loss being the low of this candle right here. So again, like I guess disrespect the low and sleep again. I didn't want that to happen, so that's my stop loss. And a quick little 1 3 happened into this volume, high volume area, and then we started heading back down, consolidated, swept the low again, went back up to retest, and then the big move kind of happened. So, yep, those are my two trades for today. I locked myself out, as you can see, so I don't overtrade. That's one of my weaknesses, or any trade is weakness, but it's definitely one of my bigger weaknesses. And off that trade, I only used two contracts. I used one contract and I scaled in one more contract because again, price is just moving crazy right now. I made about $422 off that trade, so not bad. So, yep, profit for tonight or today, I guess, is about 1,200. Not bad. This is just day one of this new account. It's on a 50. It's only a 50K account. I'm gonna try to pass this one and then move my way up to 100, then 150, and then start doing multiple accounts and just go from there. So yeah, that is all.